Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw a nice emoji, and in this case I have already drawn a bigger circle, as you can see. Okay, I used the compass. This is a basic instrument, very basic instrument for drawing any type of circle. You can use other instruments too. Now I'm going to draw the basic shapes which is going to make the expressions. So as you know, this guy is very angry, so I'm going to put two smaller circles here, and another outline for the mouth, which is kind of Nike shape but upside down. Looks like the logo of the Nike, but not like that totally, but little bit it has a similarity. Okay, for the eyebrow on the top we are going to put the darker color. So let's put the darker color here, and another color is going to be here. Okay, now we are going to fill up the middle of these smaller circles with the pencil, dark pencil. You can see this is going to be very nice. Okay, also this one, and the mouth, this is also going to be very deep dark black. Okay, so you see this is already a very good expression. Now let's put the red color. As you know, the guy is very angry, so we can put the red color to show the hot face of the people. All right, so in this case we are putting the darker color in the middle, and then we are going to show that the color is fading away as it goes to the outwards directions. So you can see the color is fading little bit. All right, this is the beauty of the drawing, that you can put the emphasis on different places with the strokes of the color. You can put the hard strokes for more emphasis, you can put the light strokes for the less emphasis. So this is how you can do for the drawing and putting shades, the basic principles. Okay, I'm going to draw the red color here is expanding. Alright, so to make a very uniform transition from the lightness to the darkness, you can see that this is very hot tempered outlines I have done. The expression is looking good. All right, so this guy is very angry. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel as you like it. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.